So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit margin size here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Microsoft Word document. Once that is done, go to the top left to where it says home if you're on the home page, and just go to where it says layout right here in between design and references, press on layouts. Then in the top left, right below where it says home, it says margins, press on the little arrow beside it. And while you're actually here, you can change it from normal margins to narrow margins if you want. So if you were to type right this, that would be narrow margins. If you were to change this to moderate margins, you can do that as well. You can change this to wide margins, whatever the case may be. There are some preset ones for you, but you can also go to custom margins right here and set your own margins. So you can sort of change the top the way you want it to, the bottom, the left, the right, whatever the case may be. Once that is done, press on OK, and there you go. Now your margins are customized or edited. So pretty straightforward, super simple. This is how to edit margin size here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.